Hey everybody, it's Scooter from Scoot's Plastic Pix, or on YouTube, Plastic Pix. Follow me on Instagram at Scoot's Plastic Pix, it'll be up there. And if you could, subscribe to this channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. And if you watch a few videos, that'd be even better. Today's setup is in my shed. It's actually like 32 degrees outside. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, I reckon it'd be about 90 odd. It's really smoky from the Australian bushfires. It's been a terrible season. Lots and lots of people lost their houses, lives, and lots of wildlife have died. It's not cool. So I've had a set up in the shed, minimal fire risk. I've got water, and today we're doing Dutch from Predator, as you can see here. Now, this was a gift from my mate Louis. He sent this over to me because he knew I couldn't find it. It was like the best gift. I was so excited. So to give justice to him, let's do a photo, and I'll put Louis' link down below for his YouTube channel. So today's setup's pretty easy. I've got dirt, plant life, some ivy I found to make it jungleized, an old piece of timber which I've used in previous photos which are on my Instagram account of stormtroopers. It's a bit burnt, like one of my stormtroopers ended up being, but it fits the purpose. So the scene we're going to do today is where Dutch has finally got all his booby traps ready. He wants to kill this predator because he knows it bleeds so he can kill it. So he's setting up on the log here. He lights his torch and he screams at the top of his lungs, you know, "Rah!" That wasn't justice at all, but that's what he does. And the predator comes a-hunting. So we're going to do that. We're going to do some explosion type stuff. Now, here's the big thing. One of my main influences for getting back into this is Sir Dork 730, Jared Middleton. Now, he's lucky enough that he can get fireworks. So he can set little charges off in the background and make it really cool. And go to his Instagram, you'll see what I mean. I don't have that luxury in Australia. In Australia, fireworks are banned. The only thing we can get are sparklers. Whoop-de-doo. So I have to make use of other things. And today we're going to use a secret weapon. Today we're going to use steel wool. Now I know you're thinking, steel wool, what the hell does that do? Well, steel wool itself, if I just grab some, what you do is you get the really, really fine steel wool and you spread it out really fine like this. And when you light it with a lighter, it instantly starts melting and hot embers drop down, and you give it a little flick and they drop down like sparks. So we're going to try and use that effect today. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see a photo where I actually used steel wool and I put it in a kitchen whisker and put it on a bit of string, and we lit it up and spun the living hell out of it. And there's like shit going everywhere, really hot bits of metal, and it made the coolest photo. So go and have a look at that on my Instagram account. We're going to use this, and we're going to use some sparklers, and I've actually got a little bit of black powder that was from a shotgun reload that I had left over. I'm going to mix that with some sparklers and see if we can get a little bit of a flare up. We'll do this in multiple photos and then we'll layer them on top. So let's get into it and see how we go. Okay, now I'm going to try the steel wool, so wish me luck. All I've done is got really fine steel wool and I've just sort of teased it out a little bit. Then I hit it with the lighter and it starts melting. And when I come over here, I'm just going to flick it like this, and hopefully I get hot embers that drop down behind it. I've got my water on standby ready to put things out. And hopefully when you do this, if it works, make sure you don't drop hot burning metal on plastic toys. They don't like it. All right, here we go. So there you go, everybody. That was me trying to take a photo of Dutch calling out a predator. Hope you liked it. Hope you got something from it. I'm no professional by any means. I know how to push a button and take a photo, and I know how to set things up. I'm not too bad on the dioramas, so I hope you got something out of it that helps you with your photography. Now, before we go, this weekend just gone, the Pop Culture Gallery in Geelong had their big warehouse scratch and dent sale. I myself couldn't make it, Funko J couldn't make it, but Gojira Pops could make it, and he offered to help us out. And he said he would just contact me when he seen something I liked or thought I liked, and he found 3 things. 2 more things I will show you in a future video, but this one is Dutch. Now, Dutch is one of my favourite characters out of Predator, obviously other than the Predator, and he got me this. Fantastic. Nice blade, removable, handgun, and rifle. So over the moon with this figure. It'll be used in future photography shots I take, and that's about it. So thank you so much to Gojira Pops. Please make sure you go and give him a subscribe and watch all his videos. It is amazing how many pops that he got. Wait till you see how much stuff he got at the gallery. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi. You want to do it again?